It's time now for the business day. Thanks for staying with us. Fitch Ratings has revised its outlook on the Caribbean Development Bank's creditworthiness from stable to negative. Fitch says the revision of the outlook to negative reflects downside risks to the performance of the bank's loan book. This is due to the impact of the coronavirus pandemic on the creditworthiness of borrowing member countries' BMCs. In Fitch's view, the contraction in economic activity and rising government debt burdens the BMCs highlight one of CDB's main rating weaknesses, the concentration of its loan portfolio to Caribbean sovereigns whose economies are highly reliant on international tourism. We go on to the stock exchange, where the stock market investors are being told to anticipate more regional cross-listings. This follows the launch of the Caribbean Securities Trader Program. Andrew Laidley has a story.
The aim of the Caribbean Securities Trader Program is to create a common network and regulatory framework for Caribbean brokers. Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forest, says the program has the potential to create stronger ties in regional equity financing.
I anticipate seeing greater listings, greater cross-listings, and I anticipate that this will be soon. It is important for small island states as ours to integrate, to cooperate, and to have now the global market looking on to see that, there is depth in our market.
She admitted that the JSE has its eyes on certain securities in the Eastern Caribbean, which are prime investment opportunities for other countries in the region.
There are products that Eastern Caribbean list now in terms of more debt products. Why can't they be listed on the Trinidad, Barbados, and Jamaica Stock Exchange, and to give a fullness and roundness to the market?
Meanwhile, acting CEO of the Trinidad and Tobago Stock Exchange, Eva Mitchell, argued that pooling financial resources will help to boost regional economies.
Mobilizing the savings of our regional population to finance the growth of our companies, both large and small, will fuel the growth of our countries and promote the development of the Caribbean financial system. This level of integration should enhance regional financial development and will serve to strengthen the region's financial services sector and enhance our global competitiveness.
The Caribbean Securities Trader is a 3-tier training program offered by the JSE eCampus. The training focuses on Caribbean securities, broker operations management, and FX trader. The program will also address the regulatory requirements of operating in varying Caribbean jurisdictions. Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $149.96. The Canadian dollar sold for $118.75. The pound is going for $209.06, while the euro ended the day at $186.14. The JSE index gained 1,609 points today, while the junior market index lost 14 points. Among the winners were SSL Venture Capital, General Accident, GWest Corporation, Salada Foods, and Jetcon Corporation. On the losing side were Derrimon Trading, Everything Fresh, Sterling Investments, 138 Student Living, Preference Shares, and Proven Investments. And that's it for the Business Day. International stories when we return.